y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. I'm about to show you guys a headband wig. Like, I know you guys must have seen this headband wig trend all over YouTube, Instagram, just everywhere. Based on my little research, I've realized that the headband wig is a very easy, convenient, no experience needed kind of wig, just a go-to wig. And that's what I love about it, because not everyone knows how to lay a wig. Let's be honest, not all of us can do that. So it's good to have other options like these, you know what I mean? Before we get into that, if you guys want to see how I install this wig that I'm currently wearing, I'm going to link it somewhere here, and you guys can go ahead and check that out. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's get straight into the headband wig. So, oh, this smells so good. This is the band, and it has these, I don't know where we normally see these type of things. Is it on bags or I don't know, but I remember growing up I always have these type of, you know, these things where and they go like this. I don't remember where we always have them. I don't think it's on clothing though. It's either on a school bag or some shoes or something. Anyways, if you guys remember, put it down in the comments. Yeah, so it has this tape sticky thingy at the back to hold the wig in place to secure it. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna just pop it on for you guys. Okay, so I have my stocking cap on, which I don't think I need it, but we're going to see. I think I should lay my edges first though. What you guys think? I think I should lay them first. So yeah, we're gonna lay the edges. I remember watching someone's video and she had said she wished she had laid her edges first. Like, it didn't spoil the look, but it's just better, you know, all that swoop and then the band goes over, so everything is underneath, instead of having the wig on with the band and then a little swoop. You know, not everybody's baby hair is very short. Some people baby hairs are very long, yes. So then you're gonna have a little, maybe a few strands of hair coming over, and that's not cute. You have to tuck it on. That no, just do it first and then put the wig over. So yeah, we're gonna lay the edges first. Okay, so we're back. Our edges are laid. I tied them down for about 5 minutes or so, 3 minutes or whatever, depending on what you use. I used the Got to Be Glued waterproof styling gel, this one, the yellow one, and yeah, this one dries very quick, so I didn't even need to tie it down like that, but just to, you know, make everything seem melted, like you're doing a frontal or closure or whatever. That's why I tied it down, just to let my baby ears look, you know, a little bit more neat and melted. I don't know. So yeah, let's see what they look like now. Yeah, okay, come through, baby hairs. Okay, love it. Braids underneath, so I think I need to get rid of this part. I think I need to brush it back and kind of make everything come together. Right, kind of like something like this. I want to leave it, it's gonna come back, so I'm gonna just put some gel here, some of the same gel that I used to do the edges right there, so that it stays. And this is just if you have this situation going on, because if I had just put my hair to the back in a ponytail without the braids, then I would have been good. I wouldn't have this part and all of that. But this is just because I have braids, guys, so this is not the situation for everyone. All right, so I'm gonna put this over it, bring it back a little, and voila, see, no part. So now that that's out of the way, it's time to put on the wig. Oh, and I have 3 combs in this. I have 2 at the front where the headband is, one here, and I have 1 in the back to secure it. So yeah, all right, so take the band, and this is just too much, and I don't do too much. Well, I do too much, but not in this situation. All right, so I'm just gonna take a clip to just kind of catch this. Yes, so it's all right, good enough, and try to find Okay, the other part of the band, which is this part. Nice. And bring it around. Ensure that the hair is not in this piece, like stuck on the tape piece, because you don't want that. All right, so, and then I'm just going to tape that part here. Tape or paste or whatever. I don't know what's the right word, but you guys know what I mean. All right, good. So that's secured there. The clip at the back, I'm going to secure that one now as well. So I'm going to bring it down and secure that into, oh shit. Oh, I forgot to have on stocking caps. I just hooked the clip in the stocking cap. So now my stocking cap is damaged. Anyways, yeah. So that's hooked, and then I'm just going to bring the black part just a little bit up. All right. That should be nice. Feels nice. All right. Pull this down and secure the front. Okay, this is looking nice already, and I have not secured the two clips here, but let me do that now. Good. So we're secure. This feels very secure, surprisingly. This ain't going nowhere. See? All right, so yeah, this is basically it. You're ready to go. Yeah, it's ready to go. Get on out of here. You can put it over. Nice. Also, you know, put it to the back and a nice little ponytail. This is also a very good gym style. That's the first thing I said when I saw them. I was like, this is perfect for the gym. It's cute, but you know, the hair is not going to be all over the place and in your way, and you don't have to worry about sweating off any lace glue or all of that. So this is very perfect for the gym. Perfect gym hairstyle. You can put it in a high bun. Ensure that it's secure. Oh shit, I never carry any elastic band. All right, I think the hair is good enough. And you just take the hair, twist it, and just wrap it around here. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. Yeah, and the high is also very nice. See, you can get it in a high ponytail to the side or whatever. Nice. You can make a very nice big messy bun with this as well, if you're that type of girl. Switch it up a little bit. You can also get, you know, any headbands of your liking, and look at that. Yeah, so that's nice.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only.
Okay, so that's the end of this video, guys. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below if you liked it, what you thought about this video, what you thought about the headband wig, and if you will be trying any of these headband wigs soon. If you already have one, let me know what it's like, what's your favorite way to style it. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, hit that notification bell so that you will always be the first to know whenever I upload. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.